In this episode, we'll explain why shadowing works, provide step-by-step instructions, give mini stories and dialogue exercises, and show how to make shadowing part of your daily routine.
Many learners listen to English but don't speak at the same time. Shadowing takes listening a step further. You speak simultaneously with a native speaker, copying pronunciation, speed, and tone. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Improve English Speaking. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. Today's tip is Episode 9, Practice Shadowing Native Speakers. Shadowing is an advanced technique that helps you improve pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, and fluency by imitating native speakers.
Many learners listen to English but don't speak at the same time. Shadowing takes listening a step further. You speak simultaneously with a native speaker, copying pronunciation, speed, and tone.
In this episode, we'll explain why shadowing works, provide step-by-step instructions, give mini stories and dialogue exercises, and show how to make shadowing part of your daily routine. Part 1. Why shadowing is effective. Lisa, why is shadowing better than just listening or repeating?
Because shadowing trains both your ears and your mouth at the same time. You're not only listening, you're imitating sounds, rhythm, and intonation in real time.
Yes. Shadowing also helps you think in English automatically, which reduces hesitation and makes your speech more natural.
It improves pronunciation, sentence flow, and listening comprehension simultaneously. Even difficult sounds and expressions become easier when you shadow consistently. Part 2. How to start shadowing. Step 1. Choose clear audio from native speakers. Podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube videos for learners work best.
Step 2. Listen carefully to a short sentence or phrase. Focus on rhythm, stress, and intonation.
Step 3. Repeat immediately while listening. Don't pause. Speak along with the speaker, copying the exact pronunciation and tone.
Step 4. Start slow, then gradually increase speed. At first, focus on accuracy, then aim to match natural pace.
Step 5. Record yourself and compare with the original audio. Notice differences and adjust.
Step 6. Shadow in short daily sessions. Even 10 to 15 minutes consistently makes a huge difference over time.
Part 3. Interactive shadowing exercises. Now let's practice shadowing together. Listeners, repeat exactly as you hear us, or use your favorite native speaker audio.
Exercise 1. Greeting and daily conversation. Hi Lisa, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? Exercise 2. Describing feelings. I'm really excited about the weekend because I'm going hiking with my friends.
That sounds amazing. I hope you have a lot of fun.
Exercise 3. Asking for help or information. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure, go straight for 2 blocks and then turn left. You'll see it on your right.
Exercise 4. Mini story shadowing. Yesterday, I went to the park. I saw children playing football and a dog chasing a ball. I sat on a bench and drank coffee while listening to music. It was a relaxing day.
Shadow these sentences aloud. Focus on intonation, rhythm, and linking words naturally.
Part 4. Mini dialogue practice. Now let's practice a mini conversation using shadowing techniques.
Hi Lisa, did you watch the new movie last night?
Yes, it was incredible. I loved the story and the acting. What about you?
I watched it too. The ending was surprising and I enjoyed the music.
Me too. I can't wait to watch it again.
Try shadowing this conversation aloud. Repeat multiple times until your pronunciation, speed, and natural rhythm match ours.
You can also create your own mini conversations to practice daily. It makes your speech automatic and confident. Part 5. Practice strategies. 1. Start with short sentences, then progress to longer paragraphs. 2. Shadow daily, even for 10 to 15 minutes. Consistency is key. 3. Use recordings of native speakers you enjoy, like podcasts, movies, or audiobooks. 4. Record yourself and compare. Focus on intonation and stress patterns. 5. Repeat the same sentences multiple times for mastery.
Shadowing every day will train your brain to think, listen, and speak in English at the same time, making your English sound fluent and natural.
Part 6. Motivation and encouragement. Shadowing may feel challenging at first. You might stumble or feel rushed. That's normal.
Start slowly, focus on accuracy, and gradually match the speaker's rhythm and tone. Progress will come quickly with consistent practice.
Remember, every sentence you shadow trains your pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Over time, your English will sound more natural and confident. Thank you for listening to Improve English Speaking. Tip 9. Practice shadowing native speakers.
Next time, we'll cover Tip 10, Review and Speak Daily, how to combine all your skills into consistent daily practice for fluency.
Shadow daily, speak aloud, match pronunciation and rhythm, and watch your English fluency soar.